Hello fellow Scratchers, in this episode I'm going to show you how to get Scratch add-ons in Scratch. So the first things first, go to your Chrome web store. Now I want you to click search the store and type Scratch Adddons. There we go. Now Scratch Adddons provide customizable features and themes for Scratch.mit.edu website. So I want you to click on it and you can watch this. This is Scratch Adddons video. So this is Scratch Adddons. And now to install it, click Add to Chrome and click on Add Extensions. Okay, now wait till it gets installed. Now as you can see here, Scratch Adddons have been added to Chrome. And you can see the setup bar. So I want you to click on this puzzle key and go to your Scratch Addons website. And over here are all the customizable things where you can click, such as dark mode. So if you want to enable dark mode, just click on one of these to enable it. And then when you go back to Scratch and you refresh the page, okay, go to a project that you're doing and you can see that everything inside is dark mode. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!